Our eSymposium focused on maternal fetal immunity is really exciting because it is interdisciplinary, both in terms of content as well as the number of speakers from the diverse nations that are going to be represented at this symposium. While focused on sepsis, because this is such a huge public health problem, I think in light of the current COVID-19 pandemic, I think this symposium is unique in its timing and its ability to bring together investigators addressing diverse pathogens that can alter the outcome of pregnancy, the effects on the fetal development, on the neonate, and we are going to feature that, and we're going to feature those types of very timely discussions. I think we are going to leave with such a deep understanding of the immunology of pregnancy, from the maternal side to the placenta to the fetal side. And I think for too long, this has not been deeply studied. I think what we are witnessing is we all bring to the scientific community different expertise, and many of us, while maybe not originally working with coronaviruses, shifted some of our research to join in the fight against this virus and to bring our expertise, in this case, pertaining to maternal and fetal immunity. I'm seeing that in some of the abstracts that have even been submitted for short talks. So I think, yes, we are going to see integration in this meeting of diverse pathogens, including SARS-CoV-2, and I've even seen some Zika. So it's exciting that it's going to be bringing together people who may not have always been brought together in scientific meetings. And I think that's what this meeting will do for us. I think it's going to allow us to find common threads across maybe some diverse areas of study. So we are bringing together expertise on maternal immunity, on the intersection and of maternal fetal immunity. We are bringing together placental biologists. We are bringing together clinicians, epidemiologists, and basic scientists, working in everything from human populations to human samples to animal models of disease. And what's most exciting is that we are bringing together microbiologists with immunologists, with clinicians, with obstetric and gynecology faculty to come together to really address the interdisciplinary nature of this topic. And my hope is that we not only leave with knowledge, we leave with questions, and we leave with the possibility of maybe new collaborations that allow us to answer questions in new and novel ways. And I'm seeing even in the abstracts that were submitted for short talks, I've never seen so much international diversity, including from countries that are not always well represented in places like South America, which to me is so exciting, because the impact of disease on maternal fetal immunity and pregnancy outcomes are occurring in diverse places. And to be able to engage investigators from around the world, I think it is considerably easier, including in terms of the expense, to bring in people from other countries into this virtual format. I do think that representation, it's important. I think that kind of international diversity and diverse thought, it can change perspective. It can change how we approach maybe even our experimental designs or the kinds of questions we ask. I am so hopeful that this really attracts a very robust population of junior investigators, whether these are junior faculty or whether these are trainees, be it fellows or students. I am unbelievably hopeful that this makes this Keystone meeting, more affordable to junior people to join us. I'm so motivated by the number of abstracts that were submitted by junior investigators for short talks. I think that's where it makes me most excited, because it shows me how much diversity and breadth there is in this field and the future that this type of field has.